10, cabrón.
Haití.
Ese rayita abajo. Te voy a dejar que se vaya, está bien.
What's going on, man? So right now we're in Santo Domingo, man. So what we're doing, we're just, I'm showing y'all a little tour. I'm showing my boy Dante behind the camera, a little tour of what we're doing, where we're at in Santo Domingo. So come on, voy para allá, ven conmigo. Ya tú sabes. Oh my God, he's good. Oh, so this guy, he's getting flicked up right here. Camera, flick. Huh? They get. What happened? ¿Qué? Para hacer una entrevista. All right, so right now, look, we're on the side street. This street right here is called Arzobispo Noel. Calle Arzobispo Noel. Let's go, walk with me. Excuse me, hold on. All right. And then if you see here, this is called Safe Zone. It's actually a pretty good place. They have a mix of dembow, bachata, merengue, different stuff, but it's a mixed crowd. Younger guys, older guys, younger women, older women. Ven conmigo. So this place here, I've never actually been in. But they're always dancing, bailando. So it's nice because you get people from different age ranges, usually more mature crowd, and they're dancing, having a good time in there. So here is another restaurant, never been here, so don't even worry about this. So right here, as we're walking, we're coming up on a place called Onos. They do have usually two DJs, one in the front, one in the back. It's a bar, and usually in the DJ in the front, they have mixed music. Sometimes in the back, they have like house music. So different nights, they have different types, different genres, different stuff going on. Salzón diferente, tú sabes. So yeah. They look like they wanted an interview. They said, interview us. No. I don't know, after 2 years, I don't want to talk to these people. Okay. So then here you get, this right here, this is called El Conde. This is the main strip. It's been around since Santo Domingo's been around, I think. And this is where the bars and the clubs and this is where like the restaurants and other places where gringos get gringos. You know what I mean? Miko, el hueso, what happened to your hair? Listen, I have an amazing, crazy story that I want to share with you guys of why I was forced to cut my hair, all right? And I want to get this message out to as many people as possible. So you can also share it with other people. So listen, what I need from you, smash that like button, and in the comment section, type Miko. We want to know what happened to your hair. All right, let's get this message out to the world. Ya tú sabe. So, all right here, you can get you some cigars. It's gonna be tourist price cigars, but they're good cigars. And down here, straight ahead, there's gonna be restaurants. Yeah. He's struggling. That's why that man over there laughing.
Yeah, papi. Vamos a comer con padre esta cabra.
These two wooden sticks.
No es papi así, que se come con padre esta
Yeah, I
papi.
don't know. Remember that? Hey, look, I grew up around some Asians, man, so you know. Por Dios.
Dante. Oh, like Dante. Oh, like Dante. Oh, like. Good.
There's actually some decent restaurants, but again, just come on and get your own experience. Santo Domingo, ya tú sabes. So this is a new place. It's called Burger Holic. I've never been in, but I would actually like to give it a try. I think it's probably pretty decent. You know, everybody, I'm American. We all like good burgers, right? So the only problem that I found with burgers here in this country is they give a very limited portion of beef, but you can always pay for double, right? That's their goal. So this lady, she's always here. I like how she sings. If you make noise while she passes by, she'll give you like a dirty look. But ay mi madre, qué país. And so as we continue up a little bit, so you're gonna get the restaurants just on the left side, and on the right side, it's a little park. So it's nice, you know, people sit, they have the benches and you can enjoy. And so we're actually on one end, we're on the far end of Zona Colonial, of El Conde. But if you go to the front end, that's where Paco's and restaurant Paco's that's been around since the 50s or 60s. So come on, let's walk down here, let's go in the park. Come on. So this is just like the general park. So this is a general park where people come and sit and enjoy. And then there's also another park if you go down that way. When you come check them both out. So one thing that I can say that I like about this country is they're always trying to build and improve.
I have no face to tell my love. If you don't care, just let me know. I have no fear to tell my love. If you don't care, just let me know.
I want to grab some like tacos real quick. Yo piensa es una persona de verdad. Ajá. Let's see. Saludo. Ok, tacos de al pastor. ¿Ah? Sí, quiero un... ¿Cuál es mejor? ¿Tacos de pollo? ¿Tacos de carne asada o al pastor? Ah, sí, okay. He said Miko will with it. Oh, déjame pagar.
No. ¿Qué hace aquí trabajando? Con un permiso. Oh.
Ay, no, mira, usted sube eso.
No puede ser.
They're running away. They're running away. They don't want to be filmed. She said, "Don't you record her." He said, "Don't you record her." I know that, right? Girl, you better get you some camera time. All right, gracias. ¿Tú quieres hablar? ¿Ah? Para llevar. Ajá. Ah, ¿dónde está tu baño? El baño. El baño, ¿dónde está? Ah, ok, gracias. One, baby.
We're here with my boy Coco. Hey. She gonna make us a good drink. We're gonna start with the drink over there. Margarita. Make it nice and strong. We just want a strong drink. What they say?
What you say, bro? Ella, que se te dominicano.
Oh. She said go outside. Is she kicking me out? ¿Qué dice? She said go back to... What you say? What you say? Oh, you want to go with us? Oh, yeah, yeah. You can come, yeah. Let's go. Yes. Vamos. We didn't see you do that again. We going to Estados Unidos. Yeah. We going. After I eat these tacos, because I'm hungry. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Don't die now. It's strong. She said she's gonna make it strong.
Yeah, this ain't no. Él dice
¿Qué zona?
¿Qué parte de?
Yo, Villa María, ella de Lomira.
Domina. So, Via Agricola, that's, give me that shit. Via Agricola, that's a barrio that's when you're on your way to like Cristo Rey or you're on your way to Capotillo in that direction, you know, it gets saucy out there, spicy. And then the other one, she lives in Los Minas. That's a very popular, huge barrio. And they have a big mall. ¿Qué centro comercial es en Los Minas? Grande. Centro comercial. Mega centro. Yeah, there's mega centro. Pero tú no sabías. Ay, mi madre. Porque no es muy fuerte. Dile a ella.
Espérame, niña, aquí somos hombres de verdad, ¿me entiendes?
¿La quieres más de ahí?
Claro, claro. Yeah. See you later.
Is this one mine? Yeah.
Jugo de limón dominicano.
What?
¿Eh?
What?
Jugo de limón dominicano.
It's good.
¿Y no estaba ahí? ¿No estaba dentro?
It's order dos, right?
Dos platos de 3 de asada.
Really? That's my food? Why you didn't tell me the whole time I was sitting here like, where my food at? I'm thinking you ate my food. Yeah, and I'm sitting here hungry.
You were at my house the other day, and we jointly made food, and you ate it. Or you ate your portion and didn't mention that.
Oh yeah,
there
I
you
did
go.
that.
You know what I'm saying?
I did that.
You know, sometimes you hungry.
This
You
nigga
just
ate his portion because he put the final edits on the food, made it perfect.
When you cook, you can eat your food first.
He ate his food first.
When you're the cook, you can eat your food
Tell
first.
us it was ready.
They was busy doing other stuff. I ain't got time. When I'm hungry, that's what it is, you know.
Today I got
Especially if I
time.
make the food. If I make the food, then I get to eat. Right?
That he did.
Right? Yes, I did.
Stand on it.
And I'm gonna stand on it. So that's payback. I see what this is.
It's not really.
That's what it is. It's payback.
We're looking for some gum, cause we just ate tacos with onions, and we're not trying to talk to people, be in people's face with onion breath. So we asking the policia where we can freshen up our breaths.
Where are you from, baby? How are you?
There we go. How are you?
Yeah.
¿Cómo estás? How are you?
Yeah, perfectamente, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's a Como. Maybe it's a Como. This is the Como.
It looks like it's open. Wait, what'd you say?
Pacos. Ten cuidado right here. En Pacos venden muchas cosas, cigarrillos, chicle, 24 horas, pero es lejos.
In English, boy.
Oh shit! in this place, restaurant called Pacos, they sell gum, and because we just ate a lot of cebolla, which is onions, and they, you know what I'm saying, they're 24 hours, so they sell things like cigarettes. There's a full restaurant. They have a lot of amazing food.
Okay.
And they're open 24 hours, but it's far, so we're not finna walk down.
Wait, why it ain't that far away?
We're gonna do interviews.
No me aborden al artista.
¿Cómo se llama el canal para buscar el video?
Miko Wolvite.
Eso te
Miko Wolvite.
Uno famoso.
Let it flow like water, water. Let it flow like water, water. Just let it flow like water, water. We're gonna do what we wanna, water. You're a diamond, made under pressure, girl, but now you shine. Caressing my mind, spirit, and body. Don't trip, no, I'm getting better day by day. It don't matter when things went wrong. Let it go and release control. Sun shining on the finest private island. This is the perfect time. Let it flow like water.
Colombia, Barranquilla.
Let it flow like water.
Puerto Plata.
Just let it flow like water, water. We're gonna do what we wanna, Girl, you're the rhyme and the reason, but you don't know what you don't know. I can't deny that I need you. I slipped and fell for a stone cold killer, girl. Rock me over, you the one, girl. Hypnotizing, mesmerizing, unrealizing. It don't matter when things went wrong. Let it go and release control. Ride away with sunshine on the finest private island. This is the perfect timing. So let it flow.